in the market came to an end? Will there be another rally in Bitcoin, or will there be a consolidation for the all season? Let's find out in our weekly crypto market update. We currently have an SMT divergence with a correlated pair with GU, not GU, with Ethereum. This low in Ethereum got purged, while in Bitcoin, this low did not get purged, right? So we have an SMT divergence with a correlated pair, which is basically Ethereum. We have this weekly CRT, as I said, my last thing, we could have a big bearishness to happen to the downside all the till 89K mark, which I was correct, right? Because market went to my 50% mark, makes me automatically correct. But I don't care about being correct, right? Here we have a weekly CRT, right? Weekly CRT, I don't know one right over here, but this CRT that pushed it down in Ethereum, a strongly get met, but in Bitcoin, it did not get met. So we have the S&P divergence preventing the soup from happening. And we have another CRT supporting this, and we have a model number one confirmation inside of this right over here. This is the low, the dug below. This is the candle, the dug below this low. But keep in mind, this low doesn't have a legit low. You just have a bearish candle, right? It doesn't have a legit low, so it could be false as well. But this candle that helped it dug below that low, one more confirmation, and market is currently in this, model number one, chilling inside of it. This could cause a push back up, or this could cause a consolidation, or we could get another dump, right? For the rally, it could definitely happen. Why? Asking the divergence, souping this low out. We are in a bull run, so we should get another push up, right? We as well did a huge dump and recovered quick as well. S&P divergence preventing the soup from happening. And the John Luke already got met. This CRT low, when the CRT had got purged, it has already been met. How come it's already been met? Because of the S&P divergence preventing the soup from happening, right? So it's not gonna let the soup happen, right? So that's what we have for Bitcoin. In other words, you could consolidate, right? Why can it consolidate? For alt season to pick up, right? Alts are currently fucking drowning, right? It's below the bear market bottom of last bear market, right? But if this can consolidate between 97K or 95K till 100K price mark, we can consolidate between that price point. We can get alts to pick up. We can let Ethereum, push up or anything like that, right? Because if this is constantly gonna push up or down, it gains too much dominance, right? So we want to lose the dominance on Bitcoin, so alts could pick up. So I want to see a consolidation, or we can get another dump. How could be another dump? This S&P divergence could be false because the CRT low doesn't have a legit low. But it's crypto, right? This crypto kind of works a little bit different. But with the CRT I got purged, we got a more confirmation. The 50% mark already got tapped, so we could get a reversal from here, right? Market go back up because the 50% mark got tapped. But it as well could go low down here, right? The S&P divergence could be false simply because of the low not being a legit low here, right? But that's that. That's what I got for Bitcoin. Those are my predictions right over there. Yes, it may be like, oh, well, what's the actual answer? What's the, are we going to see consolidation? Are we going to see a rally? Or are we going to see a bear, right? Bear, we're going to see another correction. That is, you have to pay attention, right? Look at the market. What's the market doing? Does it want to push up or down, right? Right now, it currently looks like it's going to consolidate, right? So no big moves to the upside or downside here. So that's that. Now let's go over Bitcoin. Ethereum. ETH first out this CRT low. I mean, not CRT low. On a monthly time frame, we have this monthly CRT right over here, right? As you guys know, the CRT got pushed. The CRT got pushed. We're going to CRT low. We have this other CRT on a monthly time frame, but it may not get respected. Market may just push up and respect this other CRT that we have right over here, or this other CRT right over here, right? Because the market pushes back down there, that means definitely Bitcoin should be pushing down, right? So what I see for a for a Ethereum, I typically say right here, if this we do still have 12 days until the CRT close, right? On this scanner closure, right? We have this other CRT right over here. We go from a monthly IRL to ERL monthly CRT supporting this key level to the upside. So that's that as well. I mean, we could go from a monthly ERL to IRL, right? And the CRT supporting it as well. So to go to a lower time frame, let me delete this drawing right over here. This market, Ethereum didn't do shit this past week. If we go to the daily time frame, what do we have here? Daily. This is the low. This is the candle that dug below this low right over here, right? This is the candle that dug below this low. So if we get a confirmation above this candle, which is at the 3.1K mark, we could get another push back up all the way, right? Confirmation, but right now is at 2.6K. I mean, you guys could accumulate right now, but as a trade, it's not a good thing to do. There's like no opportunities here. But if you're gonna be an investor for the long term, 2.6K mark is a really good mark for accumulating, right? Accumulation, right? Especially those who accumulate around the 2.2K mark to 2.4K mark, right? So right now for investing is good. For trading, you gotta wait for a confirmation here. You gotta wait until the candle goes above this. Why do you not care about these candles right over here? Because these candles never dug below this other low. So there's our modern one confirmation right over here. Bitcoin, what could happen? I mean, not Bitcoin. In ETH, what could happen is potentially we could see a push up, close above this, and get another rally all the way to the upside, or market could just close above this, close above the CRT high, giving us that respect, right? And just consolidating, eventually closing above this model one and giving us a bull run from here on in, right? Let's go with 33 here. 33, it trumpet, as I said before. My last update, not my last update, like last previous, weekly crypto market update, that the CRT high got purged. We should go to CRT low. CRT just got tapped. What else do we see here? We have this monthly CRT low got purged. We go to the monthly CRT high. We'll go to another all-time high. If this CRT get respected, we can go to another monthly CRT high with our monthly IRL to ARL, right, as well. Go to the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have this weekly CRT right over here. Could be another target, 1.06 trillion. Right. And of course, at the daily time frame, we have a model one confirmation. We currently did not have a model one confirmation because this is the low that helped it dug below this low. So if we get a confirmation about around like 994 billion confirmation, the market goes above. If the market goes over there, we should see a push all the way up to the all-time high. And if you go to the weekly time frame, we go to the 4-hour time frame, there's other weekly CRT. Let me see over here. What is this low that dug? Which is the scandal? I'm pretty confused here. I am kind of confused. I think this is low right over here. Yeah, so on the 4-hour time frame, we do have this confirmation. I mean, to me, it looks like this is the low right over here for this weekly CRT. We do have this model number one confirmation, and it's currently getting respected. It's currently going to be in profits, right? So this could push up to 106 trillion. Eventually, from there, we could go to all-time high, which is the 1.16 trillion mark, right? And eventually go, higher from there on and start off the all season. Let's go over our last couple too, which is the ETH and Bitcoin dominance. Bro, nothing is happening here. Market is pushing down over here, right? With this monthly CRT, he's gonna probably get disrespected. But we have this 12-month CRT as well here. So on the monthly time frame, if the market goes above this monthly CRT, this monthly candle high, we can get a model number one confirmation, and that causes the ulti to happen, right? Which could probably gonna be next month, if that could potentially happen, right? So let's go over our Solana. Solana right now, currently, a CRT high got purged. We got a respect of it. We can go to CRT low. From here, go push back up, right? So on a daily time, we do have a confirmation for this monthly CRT. Boom, we do have a confirmation here. So as I said in my last video, right, for the Ethereum, for Solana, we could get a push back down all over here. You can see currently right now, you can see market's pushing down, right? We could go push out the CRT low on the monthly time frame. But I feel like market should definitely go to this 168 mark. Why? Because we have another CRT, and the CRT gets purged. We're gonna eventually go from the CRT low to the CRT high, right? On the weekly, what do we have? Weekly, nothing here because this is an inside bar, inside bar, inside bar, right? So our drawn liquidity is short term right over here. Short term liquidity, and eventually the long term drawn liquidity right over here, right? So the $295 mark eventually over here is a very good price to buy in. You buy from the 168 to 154 till 175 is a really good price point to buy in, right? Eventually you can have a good ass return from here as well. You can have a, let's just say, just buy out of this 168 mark. You can have a potential 74% retrade. You could potentially have a 74% gain, right? Eventually you can hold it to $300 mark and eventually go for all the 1x. This investment is going to be more risky. This going to be investment is going to be, with this investment, you're going to have to risk more, right? You have to risk more of your capital because it's not all, I mean, it's not a low cap, it's a really high cap. So you need to probably risk way more than usual, right? So probably like a couple thousand, right? So you can get a huge gain. 100% gain could be 100 to, from like 168 till 335 is going to be 100% gain, right? So that could have it here, right here. This is a beforehand call out. So if we get a push back down to this CRT low at 168, I feel like you should guys buy here or that 154, right? Or between these price point. But I feel like the market should definitely go to the 154 price and eventually push up from here, right? Or 155, right? Whatever that is. This is my weekly crypto market update. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I see you guys inside my Discord. Peace out. Link description down below.